Alright guys, let's talk about dynamic analysis. Do you run any shaker table testing to test the vibration strength of your components? Or do you have a dynamic testing standard such as the mils standard? Or do you have an existing simulation software that you run linear dynamic analysis with? Then let's take a look at the dynamic analysis capabilities in SOLIDWORKS Simulation. Now there are 4 main dynamic analysis tools that's available to you with our simulation portfolio, starting with the modal time history. So modal time history is often used to test your designs against impact loads or sudden events, such as a half sine wave or a sawtooth G load. Now the benefit of using this analysis is that you're able to study the transient response of your system, allowing you to visualize your assemblies vibrate in real time. So with harmonic analysis, users are able to perform a sine sweep analysis to determine the peak response of assemblies. Now this is a quick way to evaluate performance without having to simulate the entire sinusoidal loading intervals. So random vibration is a popular method by which you're able to simulate components experiencing vibrating loads at random amplitudes. What you're able to do is you could put in PSD curves or the power spectral density curve that describes these random loads in order to simulate the peak response exhibited by these components and also the frequencies at which you get these peaks. So the response spectrum analysis. Now this is similar to the random vibration testing in that it takes a shock response spectrum or the SRS as an input. Now primarily used for shock and impact events, this analysis gives you the peak response in terms of stress, displacement and acceleration for these events. So if you need a solution to quickly test your designs for vibration performance, use dynamic analysis with SOLIDWORKS Simulation.